Hi, this is Pam. I'm teaching internet research skills and I wanted to talk about Zuula. Zuula is a meta search engine. Meta search engines search in multiple other search engines simultaneously. So for example, Zuula will look in Google and Yahoo and Bing simultaneously. Normally, I'm not a huge fan of meta search because it sort of mashes everything together and it's harder to see how everything's working and how your search is doing. But I like Zuula because it's structured a little bit differently. So let's do a search and see how this works. So I'm going to search for meta search engines. And let's look at how Zuula is different from a lot of the other meta search engines. So we can see instead of one big list of all the search engine results together from the different search engines, Zuula actually tabs them into different lists. So I can actually look and see the Google results separately from the Bing results, for example. I also like Zuula because it actually shows me the number of results. Now, Zuula is still not doing the same search that I would get doing a search directly in Google, but at least I have some idea of how good my search is, whether it's too broad or too narrow, simply by looking at that number. So the best way to use Zuula that I have found is if I'm doing a search and I'm not coming up with any hits, it's an obscure topic, I can come here and do one search for everything and see which search engine might actually be a better place for me to go. So we look at Google, we have 2 million results. Bing actually has more results, so that can be a good or a bad thing, but at least we have an idea that, oh, I may actually want to go and look into Bing and see what I come up with. It also shows me other search engines that I might want to look at and pops me out of my Google zone. So for example, it sort of brings other search engines onto my radar, such as Gigablast or Exalead, things that I might normally not have used, and sort of gets me used to using other tools. I also really like the other searches that I can access using Zuula. In particular, image search is really handy if you want to find images, because I usually go to Google, but look how quickly I can go and see what results I'm getting from Yahoo, or let's go to Bing, because we're getting, and those are very different results that I'm getting for images from each search. It also allows me to keep track of other searches on the web or other places I might want to go. So if you normally go into YouTube and search for videos, I have actually started hitting videos from Vimeo, although it's not pulling up anything from that. Vimeo. But at least Bing, I get 840 different things than I may get in Google with 2,000 hits. So it's a nice way to see other places I might want to go on the web to do my searching. So normally I'm not a fan of meta searching, but I really like a lot of the features that are available in Zuula, and I would recommend it. Thanks.